What's going on, guys? It's Jacob here. So today I want to show you how you can make money from YouTube channel memberships, and I'm also going to show you how much I'm actually making from that right now. So without further ado, let's hop into my computer. Okay guys, welcome inside of my computer. So first of all, I want to show you the minimum requirements to get the YouTube memberships. So you need to have at least 30,000 subscribers. If you're a gaming channel, you need a little bit less. You only need 1,000 subscribers. You need to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program. So you need to be monetized on your channel, and you need to be at least 18 years old, and I guess some countries can't get it yet. Just be patient. YouTube will roll it out to every country in the world, but right now it's beta and not everybody can get it yet. Your channel can't be set as made for kids as well, and there are some other things that I want to talk to you guys about right now. If you have more than 30,000 subscribers, it doesn't necessarily mean that you get this feature. It isn't beta, so YouTube will just pick certain channels that get this feature, then they'll test it out and make sure it works really well when everybody else gets it. So even if you have 30, 40, 50, 100,000 subscribers, it doesn't necessarily mean that you get this feature. Just be patient, because at some point YouTube will pick you as well. So now let's go take a look at my membership tab in YouTube. So all you need to do to find the memberships is to go to monetization in YouTube Studio, and then you can see the different things you can do to monetize your channel. So this is the normal ads on your channel, and you can also sell merch on your YouTube channel. You can have memberships, which is what I'm talking about in this video, and you can also have supers, which is something you can have in your live streams. So let's go to memberships. So this is my membership tab where I set up my memberships on my YouTube channel, and I can also get an overview of who's a member and how much money I make from it. So as you guys can see, I currently have 63 members, and from that I made $145 so far in this month. This graph right here shows me exactly how much money I made from memberships each month. And as you guys can see, it has a nice uptrend. It has actually been growing every single month since I got it, which I'm really, really happy about. So I'm excited to see how much money I can make from it in the future. Over here, I can see which members I have. So if I go in here, over here, I can see the names of the members, which I'll blur out because of privacy reasons. I can see their current membership level. I currently have 3 levels. So I have the supporter, early access, and exclusive training. I can see the total time on the current membership level, and I can see their total time as a member, and also when it last updated. Let's go out of here. And up here, YouTube gives me some tips on how I can improve my membership and how I can promote things on my YouTube channel so I can get more members on. This is really, really cool. I have already done some of the things, but I still need to make an intro video so it's really clear what people get out of the membership. So let's go down here and take a look at my membership offers. So this is the different levels I have made for my members. The first one is the supporter level, where people pay, you can't really see it right here, but they pay $2, which is equivalent to 19 kroner, which is the currency that we use here in Denmark. And on this level, I have 47 members. The second one is the early access level, where people pay $5, and on that I have 8 members. And the last one is my exclusive training level, where people pay $20, and on that I have 8 members as well. If I go in here and click edit, you can see how it works, and you can set up the different levels. So the first one is the supporter level. If I click right here, I can say the United States, and it will show the prices in dollars. Down here, I can set up the perks you get from the supporter level. So if people pick up this supporter level membership, they will get some loyalty badges. So for each month they are a member of my YouTube channel, it will show a certain badge depending on how long they have been a member. So when they comment on my YouTube channel, people will be able to see that they are a member of my channel and that they are supporting my channel. So down here you can see the perks. They are showing their gratitude and helping me out on my channel. They also get comment priority on my videos. So I will prioritize to answer their comments before everybody else. And they can also suggest video topics to me. So if they comment on my videos and say, I want this type of video, I will try to make those before anybody else. Let's go to early access. On this membership level, they get everything on the supporter level, and they also get early access to my videos. So 3 days, a minimum of 3 days before everybody else, they get access to my videos. And yeah, that's basically it. And they pay $5 for this. And the last one is exclusive training. And on this level, they get access to all of the perks from the 2 other levels. And they also get access to a bunch of extra training. So in here, I have all of my online courses, and these are basically just a bunch of videos that no one else has access to. So if you get this exclusive training level, you get access to a bunch of online courses behind a paywall. So this is super cool because I'm able to deliver much more in-depth training and deliver much more value for those that are willing to pay. So I'm gonna make more money and my audience gets more from me as well. So super cool. Now let me show you real quick how you make sure that the videos only are available for those that are members. So let's go, there you go. Let's go to a video. Let's click on this one, and all you need to do is click on visibility, and then you can list it as members only, and then you can choose which members are allowed to watch this video. In this case, I would choose exclusive training and higher, so only people at the exclusive training level can get access to this video. Now, if you want to change the badges and the emojis that people get when they become a member, then you can click right here. And you can either use the generic badges or you can upload your own. The emojis will show when you are in a live stream. So I'm not really doing live streams right now, so I haven't selected any emojis, but you can do that if you want to. If you go over here, you can see the comments by my members, and I prioritize these over anybody else because of the supporter level. That's a part of the perks. And if I want to share my membership link and get more people on my membership, then I can just click on this and send it to people. So super easy. So now you know how YouTube channel memberships work and how you make money from it. If you want more lessons on YouTube, then make sure you watch these videos over here. And also make sure you hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.